Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna be doing a quick overview of my 2007 YZ250F. This is my first dirt bike. I got it last July and it's been a joy ever since. I got it for a pretty good deal, if you ask me. I love the graphics on this. I love me some Red Bull. The kid who had it before me didn't really take that good care of it. When I bought it, the grips on it were absolutely shredded. It was stalling a little bit because it needed a carb clean. The rear tire was absolutely destroyed. Like, it was so bald. The first time I went riding on it, I ate absolute crap. And then you got the most common problem, the wear on the frame of the aluminum YZs. It's not bad now because I replaced the Kickstarter on it, but the one that was on here before was super sloppy. But the bike's been a joy ever since. I got a good summer ride in it. And yeah. Also, these aren't my numbers and my graphics, so don't ask me if I race because I did not. Like I said, it's my first bike and I'm still learning on it. So what I've done on the bike so far is I've done rear brake pads. I don't know if you guys can see that. Rear brake pads, front brake pads. Front brake pads. Kind of hard to see on the GoPro. New grips, obviously. I did pop a front tire in the front, or a front tube in the front tire, so I replaced that. I put on a new rear tube and tire. Oil change every 10 to 12 hours. I did new air filter because the other one was extremely dirty. I got this, obviously, so when I wash it, it's okay. I do lube the chain and sprocket every time I ride just to make it so it runs a lot smoother. Unfortunately, I did bend one of the radiators on the first time I crashed this thing. I think it's on this side. It's pretty munched up, but it is what it is. It did come with unbreakable levers, so that's good. So every time I eat it and dump it, it doesn't break. The graphics hold up phenomenally well. They draw everybody's attention. I always get beeps and everything. I tried to do the front brake reservoir. I tried to open it to bleed the brakes when I did the brake pads, but I can't get these screws off, so I'm gonna have to buy a new one. I did end up doing the rear because it came off a lot easier. Like I said, oil changes. I do the shifter, or the Kickstarter, I mean. This one has 0 play. The other one from Yamaha was so sloppy. Like I said, it was hitting the frame a ton. This one does it too. I believe this is a common problem on these, but it is what it is. It still starts really well. It does need a carb clean and or rebuild because it has been sitting since it's winter time. My heater is going on because it's extremely cold. I did ride it every once in a while just to keep everything flowing. And yeah.